In order to find the download folder on POCO X8 Pro or Pro Max, what you can do is you can go to the app drawer and you can, for example, start by going to this downloads app. However, in my case, this app barely works. I'm not sure why, but I can never really find like the full list of downloaded files on my phone. So if you have the same issue, then what you can do instead is you can use a file manager. So we have the file manager in here. This one is made by or provided by Xiaomi. Of course, we need to grant the access to all files in here. And if you go to browse, then in here we should be able to reveal more different categories or types. Just tap on more in here and you can find the transfers and the downloads, and then here most likely you should be able to find, or you will be able to find, all downloaded files. If you don't like using these Xiaomi apps, then you can also use the Files app by Google. It is a pretty similar app. It serves exactly the same purpose, and here we have the downloads category as well. So here you should be able to find everything that you downloaded on this phone. Leave a like and subscribe.